Hi, parents. As an educator, it's extremely important for my sake and for your child's sake that I keep a record of whatever they've done so they know where they're at any point in time during their coursework. So what I have here is I have a sheet in which I keep a record. Now, the student's first name, surname goes here, and their number goes here. I have a document already like this, but I'm just explaining to you how. I can't show you all the names. So across the top here, what we have is all the tasks that the students need to complete. Now, with each one of these tasks, I will give them a checklist. And on that checklist, it will state whatever they need to have for that particular task. So that's what we will do during the course of the year. Now, each of the tasks, I will give students an ample amount of time in order to complete that task. However, I will say, if the deadline is up and they haven't completed the task, then I'm going to ask you to help support me in having them back either during their lunchtime or doing after school. I prefer that they get the task done because I don't want to be here after school with them, or I don't want to be here during their lunchtime with them. So it's very important that they get them done. Now up top here, you will see the start assignment has already been filled out. In red is the students that have not completed the task. When a student completes a task, let's say that all of them have done their video, I will come down here and I will go up to the fill and I will put a green. If they've not done the task, again, I go here, I come down and I put a red. I can't share this with you because all the other students' name will be on there. But I can assure you that if you want to know any of your child's progress during the course of the year, email me at aura.lawrence@glenschool.org. I will get back with you. So that's how we record the students' coursework.